Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by updating Garageband and Mac OS to the latest compatible versions today. Back up your original project to a separate folder before making changes. Open the project and consolidate audio and software instrument tracks into one Garageband project file now. Check and set the project sample rate to 44, 1 kHz, and the bit depth to 24-bit for best compatibility. Remove unused takes and freeze heavy tracks to reduce CPU load. Save a copy named with date and version for easy identification later. Export each audio track as a 24-bit WAV file and name files by track number. Also export any MIDI tracks as standard MIDI files when you used external soft synths. Bounce instrument tracks with effects printed if you want exact sounds in Logic Pro. Choose iCloud Drive or an external SSD for transfer and ensure at least 5 GB free space available. Create a project folder containing WAV MIDI and a simple text file listing tempo and key. Compress the folder into a zip archive before moving it to your Mac. On your Mac, unzip the transferred project folder and open Logic Pro. Create a new Logic project and set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz to match the Garageband export. Import the 24-bit WAV files and align each clip to the original timeline using the tempo and key listed. Import MIDI files into software instrument tracks and choose corresponding plugins or instruments. Reassign any Garageband loops to Logic equivalents or load audio units directly. Save the Logic project with a new name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.